find it amazing that we're kind of still finding a truckload of stuff. You know, even at, I mean, the end of November, most years it's tons of snow and everything now, you know.
Yeah, you'd think that. Oh yeah, as long as it's clear, I imagine they're still throwing stuff away.
Right, exactly. They're finding things to do and they're throwing stuff away. And some people got, oh, what's that pile of stuff to the left?
Looks like basketball hoop. There's a cooler out there.
There's a jack out there too.
Oh yeah.
A big jack.
Awesome.
2 jacks.
Oh, some weights.
Oh, lordy.
Okay.
I gotta put on my gloves for this one.
Nail gun.
That's a big old jack. I wouldn't mind hanging on to that jack if it works. Not me personally, but us.
If it don't work.
Yeah, I just want to give you a little heads up on some of the stuff.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you.
The gas tank was just off of, I think, a pressure washer we had at one time.
All right.
It's actually good. It don't leak.
Okay.
That nailer, I used it one time when we did a house, and that was it.
That's a roofing nailer too, ain't it?
Yeah. And, I mean, it sat in my pole shed out in the country for years. I only used it one time. This works. My dad gave it to me. It's a pain in the butt because you got to get down there with a wrench and you got to turn that thing.
Oh, right.
But
yeah.
other than that, if you could find it, that's an oldie and it works great. We're
All
just
right.
moving to Tennessee and I just can't take the stuff.
Well, I want to tell you congratulations
Well, thank
getting
you.
out of this silly state we live in.
Yeah, so I know. That jack, unless it's got a broken seal, my neighbor gave it to me. I thought it was going to work. It didn't work.
All right.
That jug, I just used to use it when in construction.
Let me get that one, Mark.
Yeah, you're gonna have it.
I'm going to say, yeah, it's a bear. But that's it, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Holy
You guys
cow,
have a
that's...
blessed holiday, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Merry Christmas.
You want this in the...
Either, whatever.
I'm gonna put this in the truck. How about this gas tank? You want that in the truck?
That's up to you.
I'm gonna put it right here so I know where it is. That way I can use it later.
Oh, thanks.
That one don't work. I'd like that jack if that's okay.
Oh yeah.
Not this red one, but that big one. We're in here.
Think you can sell them weights?
Absolutely. They're $1 a pound. Well, that's a good one. I don't know how we're gonna get this up there. We'll put it right there with the handle in.
You're gonna want to save that, right? You don't want to pile anything on it, so you want to put it here in the corner, or?
Yeah, sure.
I mean, I don't know if it's
I'm gonna put these up there because Steve wants some of these. Steve wants a couple of these, and we'll.
oh.
I don't know what we get out of the parts, but he won't get the railing. He'll just get those pieces of stuff.
Can we roll this over close?
Heck yeah.
like it's still about 300 pounds. Huh?
Yeah, it ain't light, that's for sure.
That'd be easy to fix, shouldn't it?
He said it worked. Yeah, you just got to hook this up. It's the knob, the handle, so you got to hook it up, get it to stay. I'll make a cap for it at work.
Oh, you want me to take the tailgate off?
That would help out. That's why I moved that stuff, so it'll be a little easier for us. We just push this nose end up there, right? Oh, sorry.
Oh, it ain't bad.
No, it's light. Something fell out. What is this?
Oh, it's just off of that thing there.
All them. There we go, perfect. They go to the hook? Yeah, okay. That was very nice of that fella.
Yeah.
There's TV.
Oh my gosh. None of those. At least it's a small one, right?
Yeah. At
Don't
least,
mind if they're flat screen, but
at least, you want it or no?
yeah, I'll take it.
Somebody already got the cord. I wonder if they know how much copper's in those things. There's a wagon down here.
When I took it apart, it had little computer boards inside there's something in there.
Yeah,
The heck, that's a windmill or something.
sure is.
Lawn.
Look at this wagon. Hey. Want it?
I don't know what.
For your daughter?
No. Oh, they wouldn't.
Won't sell that.
Oh yeah.
Yep. How you doing, ma'am? That's a real nice skid, but it ain't big enough. Remember this stuff on the left up here, we might have to pull over, take a look, see what's there. Yeah, see? Shop vac, regular vac.
Take that shop back. We'll try that. See if
The other one will chop the cord off of. Yeah, yeah.
but I bet this works.
Yep. Yeah, if we sold every one of them for $5, we'd be doing pretty good. Put that wire down in them plastic buckets. You want me to look for you out here? Want me to look for you out here? We got a whole bunch of stuff up there and metal right there. Or something right there.
Another printer.
Another printer. How you doing? Fantastic. I don't know what this is, but I'm putting it in the front. Oh, look at that thing. What does that do? Here, we give you this stuff to set in there too. That thing and that thing. Sorry, I know it's big, but my wife will kick my butt if I don't bring it home. Is it? Oh, yep, sure is. I grabbed 2 already. 4, 6. 6 of them already. Is that great stuff got anything in it? It's brand new. What's that other one? Woolite? How about that liquid nails? The one that's got the tip on it. Just this one.
This one's got a tip on it, but is it dry in there?
Yes, it's already been cracked open.
Ginger.
There's you need any of that? That's
is there
full.
Anything in there? Oh yeah, looks like that too.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. That's fantastic. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it. I'm gonna put these in the cab. I wonder if my wife needs a bucket for the basement.
It was down in there anyways. I saw some kind of wire thing.
Oh, that's it. I didn't even see that one. Good eyes, brother. Good eyes. Very nice. Good job. Oh, I'll take them. I'm sorry. I set them out to take them. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Sorry, I just forgot them. That's all. I apologize. We try to leave it at least as good as we got there. Otherwise, it's kind of rude. Thank you. You have a great night now. And it looks like it is something there.
Oh, they even took all the...
Look at all this too. That's very nice of them. There's a thing there too. Okay, what do you want to do with this thing? Oh, here, put that up in that box.
In the bag of the truck.
Hey, what's down in there? Is that a piece of metal?
Where?
Down in that box?
Oh, I didn't even look down in there. No. Oh, maybe, yeah.
This goes in the truck though, huh?
Trying to cut back on taking apart stuffy.
I understand that. Oh, there's something sticking up down here. Looks like one of them Christmas ornaments.
There's that.
Yep.
Go down there first.
Yep.
See what it is.
It is a Christmas ornament. It's a buck. Buck 10.
I think it's is it metal or?
I think they got a metal frame on them. Anything else? Nothing. There you go.
Everybody's got a bag out for the raccoons.
Yep.
You seen that guy on the internet with all them dang raccoons? Must have 50 of them or something coming. He fed them like 8 pounds of hot dogs.
Wow.
And then he went back, cooked like 4 more pounds, or got 4 more pounds out and gave it to him.
You know Dino from the place out there, he feeds them raccoons. Them things are so fat they come lay on the ground and eat.
Are them tubs any good back there?
I bet they are. We look at them. Well, there's a little bit of metal in here, not much. What about this stuff? Do you know what that is? Oh, that's an ink thing. I don't want no part of that. Do you want this one?
That round one you got in your hand, yeah.
And the lid.
The lid, heck yeah, that's perfect. I can put copper or something in there.
I'm gonna put this in the back seat because I can't get the lid to seal down on there.
That's for those ones though.
Oh wow, look at all them.
Yeah.
This must be all that stuff she was gonna put out.
Who's that?
That lady you was talking about. No?
She don't live over here.
Oh, I don't know. I don't have a clue, brother.
Are these the lids from them?
Look at that thing.
Oh, that's just a little bit short.
I think this is aluminum, Mark. No, it ain't. It's steel. I'm putting this bucket in the back, in the inside. Hey,
Long.
put this one in the dumps, in the truck, in the pickup.
Yeah.
Pickup.
None of these fit that big tub. Small ones.
Man, I don't want to cut myself in this mess.
No cleaners or nothing in there, huh?
Mm-mm. You want them flat tubs?
No. If they had lids with them.
Right.
But they're not worth much without lids.
Exactly. I think we had down here a couple times where we got a bunch of stuff.
I don't think that.
I don't see nothing. Nothing. Hey, Margaret, I didn't find nothing.
It's over here too. And a bunch of.
I'm coming right now. I gotta get my cutters. Excellent. Excellent. Or let me have some of that stuff.
Okay.
Oh. It's under there. What's that handle? Is that it?
Floor jack out of there already?
Yep, I got that. I wanted to look back here because I seen a wire, I thought. Oh no, that ain't a wire.
whole thing in the, there's metal inside of it, isn't there?
Oh, it's got goo all in it. Take the pan out. All right. There's something in here too.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what.
An oil drain van.
Get my gun. I thought there was something else solid down in here. There's a. Oh, that's freaking pillow nasty. I don't want to handle this stuff. I looked at that.
I thought maybe it was a thing, you know.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's all just
Kitchen garbage, right?
stuff.
That whole thing was them dang vents. Them whole things was vents.
Oh yeah, were they new looking or?
No, there's all old ones. They took out and replaced. Somebody's leaving, so
Somebody's leaving?
yeah.
Come from.
Did we look in that garbage can over there? I don't know where we come from, brother. Might as well run up there and look, right?
Yeah.
Never know, there might be some good metal or something in there. Oh, look at that.
Is that a generator?
I think so. One of them little Harbor Freight ones. Is that ours? We taking that, right? You might have to pull up in here and let me get on your thing. There's a couple of TV things down in there.
Oh yeah.
This is a Coleman one, brother. This is the Coleman one. I'm gonna put it right up in here. That looks like a door. Something behind it, but I don't know what. Let me look real quick. Anything there? lucky. Garage door opener. Excellent. You want that in the trailer?
Oh yeah.
Them dang lights are still on back there.
It'll give us a little bit more light, huh?
Absolutely. What do you think? No good? Keep it? Crap it? What?
Keep it. It's a little ukulele. We might be able to. What kind is that? Is that a
Dirt Devil?
Oh, it's got the canister missing, don't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Just
I'm cutting it.
good
Cord.
cut one, huh?
Yep. I'll get my pliers. Put this in the inside. Turd open
I'm
with it.
not sure what.
Well, let me throw this cord in there. Close. I'm not sure what the heck that is. These are canned goods and stuff in here.
Oh, you know. What I didn't need.
What's that?
Kotex.
Oh, yummy. Bathroom foamer.
This says Windex. What the heck? Windex touch-up apple cinnamon.
Look at them. 2 brand new gallons. Sorry, brother. I'm gonna bonk your work.
Surface cleaner.
There's some kind of canned stuff. I'm gonna start putting this stuff in the truck. Here, need a light. Soap dispenser. If it don't feel interesting, I'm not opening it, okay? That's an ice cream container. I'm not opening that one.
Boozy bottles.
Yeah, I'm saying that. Hey, here. Brand new golf shoes. FootJoy. I'm gonna try and sell them. You want this? Look it.
Sure. I can go through that whole
Mark. Save it, I'll put bulbs in it, we'll keep it for later.
That's the first thing I pulled out of it.
That's fantastic. This thing's dead. This thing keeps shutting off.
Oh, there's just makeup in this one.
You interested in rope? You interested in rope? Okay. Here's a hacksaw. Got a piece of that. Funny.
Some CDs. Linkless.
Really?
Whole package of them in there.
That's broke. You want this thing? Mike.
Yeah.
I broke the charger for it. Yank. Oh no, I didn't. Hold on to that. I broke the plug out of it, but that's the charger piece for it right there.
Oh, it just snaps in, right?
Yeah.
So, well, do we need
You don't
this?
need this plastic piece. Need one of these?
I don't think it works. We can sell that at the flea market, can't we?
Hell yeah.
I mean, I don't know.
Hell yeah.
If it will or not, but
Definitely give her a shot. You need a plunger?
good?
Need a plunger?
No.
Every one of these things here, every one of these bags has had something in it. I should take these damn tomatoes home to my cat. The damn cat loves them tomatoes. There's a thing of tomatoes in there. I'm opening every one of these. Every one had something in it, Mark. Oh, not this one. It's got bathroom rug stuff in it. There you go. Yep.
So it's got a heavy bottom on it too, so it don't tip over.
Look at.
What is all that stuff? Oh yeah, that too.
Oh man, I'm glad I opened this one.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Lots of shit in there. Huh?
Oh, we don't need that really. I'm just gonna grab this whole thing, Myrick, because there's stuff down in the bottom, cans of paint and shit. Yeah. Put as much in there as we can. You want that in here?
Oh no.
How about that pot?
Yeah, what?
You keeping that pot for screws?
Yeah.
Put it in here. It's all going to your house. Ain't it? I mean, you don't have to, but
yeah, might as well.
I ain't getting rid of this. Everything in here, almost everything in here is good.